Hello everyone, this is Kunal Shah, Head of Commodity Research from Nirmal Securities Private Limited. Shifting focus from energies to base metal complex, and let us talk about what are the factors, what happened in the base metal complex. Well, base metal China continues to give grim news on the reality front, on the manufacturing front, on all fronts. We are getting a weaker Chinese data, and we are not seeing any revival in economic activity in China. And considering all of these, we have seen slide in metal prices. Copper have gone down by 20 rupees. Zinc prices have gone down by 10 rupees. Aluminum 10 rupees. Lead have gone down by 5 rupees in the month of January. And the February has started on a weaker note itself. Uh, well, we've seen the weakness in prices in spite of the fact that China has cut its RRR by 50 basis point. We've seen China have come up with a small stimulus of $120 billion. That has also not helped. So whatever China has done in the month of January has not helped prices to recover and do well. So for the month of February, our outlook still remains relatively range bound. I am not aggressively recommending to go short at these levels, but a pullback is definitely something which is meant to be short. China is likely to come up with a aggressive stimulus to prevent the downside in the economic activity. If that happens, if they come up with any aggressive stimulus, I will change my view and will recommend to go long. Until then, copper 730-35 looks toppish. Zinc 225 to 27 looks toppish. Aluminum 210 to 12 looks toppish. So these are the levels, where which is going to act as a resistance, and it is expected to trade in a narrow range. This month, the important thing to watch out for will be the US inflation data. After the last month's surge, whether we are going to see a moderation in that or whether we are going to see a major upside in the US inflation, that will determine the outlook of the US dollar, and that will determine the outlook on major commodities. So if there is a decline in inflation, and if there is a sharp decline in inflation, the rate cut narrative will get stronger and commodity will revive, and vice versa. If the inflation is again moving up, then commodity broader as an asset class will witness another round of selling. So with this, we wrap up our monthly edition of Commodity Outlook. Thank you everyone for watching us. Stay tuned and please watch our our weekly webinar on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 3:30 p.m. on YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, and all other social medias.